We have another example on the board. Again, we're supposed to find the slope. Formula for slope says m is equal y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. This is equal y2 6 minus 6 over x2 negative 8 minus 4. Okay, let me remind you, this is x1, this is y1, x2, y2. 6 minus 6 is equal 0 over negative 8 minus 4 is equal negative 12. 0 divided by negative 12 is equal 0. So my slope m is equal 0. Now let's take a look how this solution is going to look at the graph. So we have points 4, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, and I have 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is my first point. And the second point is negative 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and also 6. So this is my point 1, and this is my point 2. Connect them together. Okay? Please notice that anytime we have slope equals 0, the graphical solution is horizontal line. In our case, this line has equation y equals 6. Why? Because this horizontal line cut the y-axis at point 0, 6. And this is basically the solution to my problem.